Hi. My name is Jude. A YouTube content creator, and a freelancer maritime instructor, a second mate license, with a 9 years experience as an educator at the Academy. Here on my channel, I upload videos for celestial navigation, terrestrial navigation, seamanship, electronic navigation, and maritime communication, and I will upload 2 to 3 videos a week. Welcome to my channel. To those aspiring seafarers, we have a lot more to discuss, and I have enough to share. Make a comments to my videos, or suggest topic we need to study.